Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys a simple but extremely tasty chicken fajita recipe. Stay tuned. All right, so I've got 2 packages of chicken thighs, a total of 18 chicken thighs. So the only thing that I'm going to do to these is just look them over and remove any fat pockets like this one. These butchers like to hide the fat under the chicken thighs because obviously it's got some weight and they can make some extra money with that. So just remove some of this extra fat from your thighs. Just a real simple trim. It's okay if you leave some of it on there. Just remove some of the big pieces, okay? Real simple. You got a little bit of fat on there, just leave it on there. Now I like to use thighs for this recipe because they are extremely flavorful and they will not dry out like your chicken breast. Okay? So I'm going to trim up the rest of these and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got my chicken thighs trimmed up, and the next thing, I'm just going to lay them flat in a big pan like this. Just spread them out. All right, so I've got my thighs laid out nice and flat in this pan. I'm going to be marinating these overnight with this Claude's Fajita marinating sauce, and this stuff is absolutely delicious. If you guys have never used it, I highly recommend it. So you do have some spices at the bottom of the bottle. Make sure you shake it up really good and get them all out of there. You can see them there. All right, just push them all underneath that marinade. All right, so I'm going to cover this pan with foil, pop it in my fridge overnight. We'll see you guys then. All right, so it's the very next day and our chicken has been marinating for 24 hours. Let's take a look at it and get it ready for the grill. All right, so here's our chicken after 24 hours. It took on a different color, it really absorbed a lot of that marinade. So I'm going to be cooking this in my El Charro rotisserie grill. So I've got my skewer here, and what I'm going to do is just pass it through a thick part of the thigh and just weave it back in, just like that, and end up on the thicker side of the thigh as well right here. Okay, and just push them in. Just like that. Let's get another one on here. You can usually get about 3 per skewer. Again, just weave it in. Just like that. Let's do one more. Again, really nice and simple. Weave it in and out. And there you go, I got 3 per skewer. I'm gonna get the rest of these ready and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, so I've got the thighs on the skewers. Next, we're gonna season these up with this El Capitan seasoning from Pia Seasonings. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. This is a brand new rub from Pia Seasonings, and I highly recommend that you give it a shot. This is a Baja chili citrus rub. See that really nice red color? Okay, let's flip them and season the other side, because nobody likes food that's just seasoned on one side, right? So you guys know you can't have fajitas without some bell peppers and onions. Now this is an attachment that you can get for your El Charro Brazilian style rotisserie grill. So I'm just gonna mix these up. All right, as you can see, I got all the vegetables in here. This was 3 really large bell peppers and 1 medium onion. That's how much fits in this basket. So let's lock them up. They're going on an amusement ride. We'll see you guys outside of my El Charro. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm outside of my El Charro rotisserie. So I've got my chicken right here. Gonna put these on the bottom. And this is an amazing Brazilian style grill. Just put your food on skewers. You can put chicken, you can put a whole chicken. You can do ribs. You can do a ton of different types of food on this grill. So I'm putting all the chicken on the bottom. We got 6 skewers. All right, so I'm placing my vegetables on the top rack, just like that. Put this little brace back on. And there you have it. This is probably only gonna take about 25 minutes. We'll bring you guys back as soon as I pull them off. Stay tuned. All right, so the chicken has been cooking for 35 minutes and the internal temperature is 170 degrees. And look at that beautiful looking chicken. These fajitas are gonna be good. Our fire roasted vegetables are good as well. We'll see you guys inside. Stay tuned. All right, so the fajitas are ready, but first, let's check out our fire roasted vegetables. Look at that. Just gonna dump them in this bowl right here. These smell absolutely amazing. Look at that. Fire roasted peppers and onions. All right, so I've got the chicken in this container. It's been resting for about 10 minutes. It's gonna keep our chicken nice and hot and really nice and juicy as well. Look at that. So just gonna grab a couple of these. And what I like to do is cut them long ways, okay? Oh man. Nice big pieces. It's got a really good smoky aroma coming from them. These are gonna be delicious. Really nice and juicy, still really hot after they've been resting. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna cut some of these up and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, let's make our chicken fajita tacos. I got some flour tortillas right here. Just gonna grab some nice big chunks of this chicken. Just like that. Grab some of our bell peppers and onions. A little bit of guac. You gotta have the Mexican crema. Look at those colors. And you can't forget the salsa. Oh man, this is gonna be good. Let's give it a taste. All right, let's give our chicken fajita tacos a try. This smells absolutely amazing. There we go. These chicken fajita tacos are legit. It's got a really good smoky flavor. Picked up a lot of smoke flavor from that lump charcoal as well. Plus, this rub right here is something very special. I highly recommend you give it a shot. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy chicken fajita video. You can even do this on a weeknight. Don't forget to check out all the links inside the description box. There you're gonna find items that I use in this video, as well as links on where you can buy this El Capitan rub. Thanks again for watching. If this is your first time here, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down, but hit that twice. We'll see you guys on the next video. Until next time, I'm Joe with Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.